In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it yet. Go into Devices Settings and scroll to tab on Apps. Now select Default Apps. Click on Home app here and apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Then choose Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, you can always go into Launcher app and check out all of those options. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, select it in the same settings as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!